back on the AT. It is November 20th, and I am headed southbound from Hawk Mountain Road to Furnace Creek, and then I will turn around and head back. It's cold. It's in the 20s. I don't mind day hiking when the temperature is this cold. I think as long as it doesn't dip below 20 degrees. I don't know if I can do below 20 degrees, but Pennsylvania doesn't typically dip that low until January and February, so let's go hiking. According to Far Out, which used to be known as Good Hooks, Furnace Creek is 3.7 miles from Hawk Mountain Road, and the next major intersection is Port Clinton, and so this is like a 15-mile stretch of trail. But cool thing is it can be split up into 3 hikes, because you can make a loop that connects Furnace Creek Trail to the AT and goes around the Pinnacle and the Pulpit Rock. So that'll be a fun hike. And since I have turned to pretty much just day hiking right now, I'm gonna hike more than once a week. Hike during the week when I have days off as well. I just crossed paths with a hunter carrying a rifle. Apparently, it's bear hunting season until Tuesday. And he just told me it's a good thing you're wearing orange. And he said, you should probably have an orange hat too. So now I gotta buy a hunter orange beanie, but he said at least I have orange on. And I guess if it's bear hunting season, that means the bears are not hibernating yet. It's also pheasant hunting season. This crazy. And I don't know if you've noticed, but trees are looking pretty bare. They are quickly becoming their winter skeletree frames, which means the views are much more open. In other trail news, did you see the post coming out of the ATC that the new mileage for the full length of the trail is 2,194.5. The trail has grown 1.5 miles in length. Specifically, they added length in West Virginia, Pennsylvania, over by Palmerton, and I forget where the third section was. I think it was in New Jersey or New York or Connecticut. I can't remember, but yep, the trail has gotten longer. And apparently it gets longer when the ATC is able to negotiate for land that's held by other entities. And off the trail news, work is scattered, but supplying what I need. God is supplying what I need, and community and friendships are growing, and family is challenging. The Lord uses people in our lives to shape us into who He wants us to be. So even though I'm back in the land of my family, my boundaries have not changed, as if I was still thousands of miles away. And for now, at least, it has to be that way. And I just trust God with all of it. Say what you want about the trail in Pennsylvania. For every section that tries to kill you and trip you and make you fall, then there's a section like this, which is just wide open. You could run a marathon on this. Beautiful, beautiful trail. And that rain that happened last weekend, where I got soaked to the bone, has left a lot of blowdown. Like this, which is almost waist high. Hard to go over. Oh wait, you just have to come over to the side of the trail and climb over it on a rock. I ain't afraid of no trees. I have made it to the junction of the Furnace Creek Trail, and this field is enormous. You could probably get 100 tents in here for camping. I debated continuing on to the Pinnacle because it's only like another 1.7 miles, but no matter what I do, it is a 15-mile section. So I think it would be fun to do the Pinnacle and Pulpit Rock as the loop that I figured out to do, because I can just come up here by way of that trail and then head in that direction, which is the kinder direction to go in, I think. In any case, I'm gonna turn around and head back. And instead of saying, see you in half a second at the truck, I missed a couple of views on the way up because I was on the phone, and you can't video and talk on the phone at the same time. So, I'll see you in half a second at the view. As promised. Half a second to the next pretty video clip. And that was the other thing that I wanted to show you. Right, okay, that was 7.4 miles in just over 3 hours. It's a beautiful day. It was a great day for hiking, and yeah, that's it. Next stop will be the grocery store and I don't know, other stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time.